Good day everyone. Mag-test tayo ng unit ni Sir from Rizal. So, ang binili ni Sir is KJ Works KP07. So, ito yung laman ng box. Manual. May allen na maliit. Then yung bushing tool, bushing remover tool, then may konting DBs. So ito yung unit. Pakita lang natin. So made in Taiwan with the grip, metal itong medallion na to. Hindi ko alam kung anong grip to. Tanyoku ba ata ito. Pero metal yung slide stop, hammer, front and rear side. And then may integrated rail. Then yung trigger niya is may adjustment. Then ito yung magazine niya, single stock. TM1911 compatible to. TM1911 or high kappa compatible. So test natin. Maglagay lang tayo ng 5 shots. So, yung magazine niya is Tokyo Marui 1911 compatible. Hindi siya pwede sa Hindi siya pwede sa WE. So, butasan natin yan. May sticker kasi. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, walang leak yung magazine. Yan. Ayun yung BB, red nozzle din siya. So, for Sir of Rizal, KJW KP07 1911 single stock. Firing. Okay. Puro kasi magazine. Ayan. So, thank you very much, sir.